Could you imagine a lake that looks calm and beautiful, but it killed 1,700 people in one moment?
In Cameroon, in 1986, the inhabitants of the villages around Lake Nyos slept normally, and no one was healthy. Without a sound, without warning, suddenly hundreds died within minutes. The lake released a huge cloud of carbon dioxide gas, which was released from its depths due to underground volcanic activity.
The gas spread quietly, not seen, not smelled, but suffocated anything breathing.
Today, scientists have installed special pipes that expel gas from the lake in case the disaster repeats. There is no danger. Lake Nyos, from the land, is a paradise, and from the air it can be a cemetery. Sets information, what he's received anywhere. Subscribe to the channel and be ready for Mystery Guide.